Welcome to the Social Lens and thank you for watching. The courtroom in the Alexandra Magistrate's Court was filled with tension and sorrow as 21-year-old student Bafana Mahungela faced a bail hearing for the premeditated rape and murder of Johannesburg teacher Kirsten Kluyts. The 34-year-old English teacher at Delta Park High School met a gruesome fate while participating in a local sporting event in October. The somber narrative began unfolding on a seemingly ordinary evening when Mahungela attended a party the night before the tragic incident. Witnesses from the party reported that he exhibited no signs of unusual behavior. Little did anyone suspect that this seemingly routine night would cast a long and haunting shadow over the following day. Mahungela then got into a taxi on his way home, but he dozed off and missed his stop. When he woke up and realized, the taxi driver refused to turn back. So, he decided to get off and walk back home. Unfortunately, he lost his way and had to ask some ladies at George Lear Park for directions. They kindly showed him the right path. He stopped at a nearby restaurant, also close to George Lear Park. There, it is alleged, he spoke to a waitress who showed him the menu and he took a picture of himself and the menu, intending on bringing his girlfriend there later. While details of his restaurant visit remain sketchy, investigators are undoubtedly exploring any possible connections between his actions and the subsequent events that unfolded. As he was again on his way, he felt he needed to relieve himself and stepped aside of the walking trail, and this is where he discovered the body covered in a rag. The grim discovery of Kirsten Kluyts' lifeless body in a ditch at George Lear Park in Sandton sent shockwaves through the community. The state, during the bail hearing, presented chilling pictures taken from the crime scene, suggesting that Mahungela had been following Kluyts on the morning a body was found. This revelation adds a layer of complexity to the case, as it hints at a potential premeditated act. During the bail hearing, Mahungela shocked the court by admitting to taking Kluyts' clothing from her dead body and discarding them in a train. His explanation for this disturbing act was fear of being implicated in a crime he claimed to have stumbled upon. He vehemently denied the rape and murder charges, stating that the only crime he was guilty of was stealing the victim's clothes. This admission, however, raised eyebrows, and legal experts are now questioning the wisdom of putting the accused in the witness box during the bail application. The authorities possess footage and a photograph capturing Mahungela leaping over the gate at George Lear Park while departing, adorned in the deceased's t-shirt and holding her clothes and his t-shirt in hand. Additionally, there's purportedly another individual present at the sporting event who snapped a photo of Kluyts participating in the run. A minute later, a picture was taken of someone in the vicinity donning a black t-shirt, alleged to be Mahungela, possibly keeping an eye on her. It's important to note that there is no evidence of sexual penetration to support the accusation of rape leveled against him. Legal experts are expressing concerns about the premature delve into trial issues during the bail hearing. Mahungela's admission that the only crime he committed was stealing clothes may have far-reaching implications on the admissibility of evidence in the actual trial. Some argue that an affidavit might have been a more appropriate method of presenting information at this stage, as it would have allowed for a more controlled and measured response. As the courtroom grapples with the shocking admissions, details from the investigation and the autopsy further complicate the case. Investigating Officer Aubrey Chesoni, through his affidavit, took the court through the events leading from Kluyts' murder to Mahungela's arrest. Pathologists, during the post-mortem, revealed that the cause of death was a combination of blunt force trauma to the head, strangulation, and pressure to the neck, a chilling revelation that adds weight to the charges against him. Throughout the bail hearing, the courtroom witnessed a mix of emotions as family members and supporters of both the victim and the accused grappled with the unfolding tragedy. Tears were shed as Mahungela's defense continued with its application for bail, leaving an atmosphere of sorrow and disbelief. The bail hearing for the 21-year-old accused will resume in the Alexandra Magistrate's Court in Johannesburg on the 29th of December. The ominous events preceding Kirsten Kluyts' tragic demise weave a chilling narrative, emphasizing the unsettling nature of Mahungela's actions in the hours leading up to the crime. As the legal proceedings continue to unfold, the focus on the night before and the morning of the incident sheds light on the enigmatic circumstances surrounding Kluyts' murder, leaving the community and the nation grappling with the haunting question: what unseen darkness lurked behind the seemingly ordinary events that paved the way for this horrifying tragedy? If you found this video informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.